Hey, I was sent this under sink organizer by Delamu to try out and review. And I have to say, I love how much easier it makes finding things under my sink. Everything is neatly organized, and instead of digging around in the back, I can just pull out the bottom drawer and see exactly where everything is. It's such a small change, but it makes a big difference in keeping things tidy. This set comes with 3 organizers, 2 large and 1 medium. So there's flexibility depending on your space. The sliding drawer design makes it super convenient to access your items without having to shuffle everything around. There are also hooks on the side for extra storage, which is great for things like sponge or small brushes. It's designed with sturdy metal support rods and a durable ABS plastic basket, so it feels stable and holds up well even when fully loaded. I also appreciate the quick installation. It only took me about a minute to set up and no tools were required. Another bonus, the drainage holes in the plastic help prevent water buildup, making it easy to clean. Overall, if you're looking to maximize storage space and keep under the sink area clutter-free, this is a great solution. I love how much more organized my space feels now. If you've been thinking about getting one, I highly recommend checking this out.